Alright, hello and welcome to another MATHCOUNTS problem tutorial. So today we will be covering problem number 6 in the 2010 chapter target round. So let's read through our question. A shopper notes that a box of brand A cornflakes costs 50% more than a box of brand B and weighs 25% more than a box of brand B. According to this information, for equal weights, the cost of brand A is what percent more than the cost of brand B? Alright, so when I see percentages like that, my favorite thing to do is to come up with just random numbers. So let's say that box A weighs 1 pound and costs $1. So that means that brand A, which costs 50% more, would cost $1.5. And because it weighs 1.25 or 25% more, it would weigh 1.25 pounds. So now we want the ratio. So now we want ratios of cost to weight. Obviously, the ratio for B is 1. And then the ratio for brand A is 1.5 over 1.25, which you can convert to 3 halves and 5 fourths. So we have 3 halves times 4 fifths because that's how we divide fractions. So we get that this is 6 fifths, which is equal to 120%. So because 1 equals 100%, then that means that the cost to weight ratio of brand A is 20% more than the cost to weight ratio of brand B. Alright, let's do a second practice problem. Let's say now that brand A costs 100% more than brand B, but now it weighs 60% more than brand B. So again, how much higher is the cost to weight ratio for brand A? Alright, I'll give you a few seconds. This may be where you pause the video. Alright, again, let's make up some numbers. So again, brand B costs $1 for a pound. So that means that brand A would cost $2 because it's 100% more, and it weighs 1.6 pounds because 60% more. So now our ratios are 1 and 2 divided by 1.6, which you can do 2 times. So this is 8 over 5, so 2 times 5/8, which means that this is 5 fourths, also known as 125%. So this is 100%. So we see that in this case, the cost to weight ratio for brand A is 25% higher than it is for brand B. Alright, I'm going to give you a third practice problem now, but this time I'm not going to show you the answer or work it out in the video. What I want you to do is work this one out by yourself and leave your answer in the comment section so that I can check them later. So let's say that now brand A once again costs 50% more than brand B. So 50% more than brand B. But now the cost to weight ratio is, so let's say that now the cost to weight ratio is 20% higher than brand B. So now, what is the ratio of the weights? Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about percentages here. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you later. Bye!